Out it's dark. Here's Jolene and her new glowworm. Oh, you're going to eat your glowworm's face? Yeah, eat your glowworm's face. Sure, why not? Press it on tummy. There you go.
Oh boy. Good girl. What? She wants to stand up. You want to stand up. Okay, there you go.
Whoa. Whoa. You just killed your glowworm.
Good thing that doesn't happen when we stand up, huh? Yeah. You don't want to stand up.
Whoa. Press the belly. Aw, too cute. Put her, no. No. Get up or down. Oh, give a kiss. Kiss your big kiss. Kiss your glowworm. Mwah. Yum. That's another May 23rd movie. 2010. Okay, say bye-bye. Bye.